In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot in Teams with the Copilot chat feature in this beginner's guide. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. Once there, in the search bar, you'll want to type Microsoft Copilot Studio. This will help us find the exact tool we need to make the most of Copilot. After the search results load, go ahead and click on the link that takes you to the Microsoft Copilot Studio page. This is going to be our main hub for accessing all the powerful features Copilot has to offer. When you arrive on the Microsoft Copilot Studio page, you'll need to sign in. For this step, ensure you're using the credentials associated with your Microsoft account to ensure seamless integration with Teams. Now that you're signed in, locate the App Launcher, which is essentially your gateway to all the apps within your Microsoft ecosystem, and select Teams. This will direct us to Microsoft Teams, where Copilot's capabilities are integrated and where the real magic happens. Within Microsoft Teams, you will see an option represented by 3 horizontal dots. Click on these dots, and a menu will appear with Copilot as one of the options. Select Copilot from this menu to open the chat interface where you can interact with Copilot directly. Next, let's explore how to make a prompt in the Copilot chat. For instance, you might ask Copilot to create a 5-step project plan for launching a new product. This prompt is a great way to utilize Copilot's ability to generate structured, actionable plans just by inputting your ideas. Once you've entered your prompt, go ahead and click on the Submit button. This action will send your request to Copilot, allowing it to work its magic and generate a response based on the information you've given. After submitting your prompt and receiving the results, you have the option to follow up on the results. Copilot provides pre-made script options that you can click on to delve deeper, ask follow-up questions, or even tweak the initial output provided by Copilot. This feature is particularly useful for refining the responses you get and tailoring them to suit your specific needs. And that's a wrap. With these steps, you're now equipped with the knowledge to efficiently use Microsoft Copilot in Teams, allowing you to leverage this powerful tool to enhance productivity and streamline your workflows. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.